Titled Column References. We're in Workbook Tips and Tricks, and we're on the Column References worksheet tab. Very similar to row references is column references, and you can learn some more tips and tricks by viewing that lesson as well. But here we are on column references, and the idea here is there's a big advantage to using the entire column for a reference instead of simply making a selection. Let's take a look at this example, which is actually more common than row references. Let's say over here we want to know the total salaries, the average salaries, and the median of all the salaries. To do that, we would simply just click right here where we want our answer, and let's use AutoSum. I go to the very top right and use AutoSum, or shortcut Alt equals. AutoSum, it tries to guess what we want, it guesses wrong, and we just come over here to salary and we click right on the F header. So if we click right on the letter F, it will select the entire column. And that column goes all the way to the bottom, which is a little over 1 million rows. So you need to know your data well enough to know that there's nothing down there that's going to be also accidentally being part of this function. So I just simply click OK over here to accept, and we can see here that I have F through F, which just simply means the entire F column. I'm going to click Enter, and there we get our total. Now on here I'm going to do average and median, and I'm also going to use AutoSum. If you don't know this, next to AutoSum there's a little drop down arrow, and I can actually choose Auto Average. So here's Auto Average. It guesses what I want. It guesses wrong. I come over here to F again. I click. I see F through F, and I hit Enter. So there's my average salaries. And now here on median, let's try an actual function. I'm going to say equals, and I start to type median, M-E, and that's all I needed to do. It's the only one. I'm going to double click it. It'll make it capital, give me a parentheses. I click on F for salary, and I hit Enter again. So there you have it, using column references instead of the normal make a selection reference.